So, what is the future of YouTube for coaches and course creators? What does it mean now that AI is here? Well, there's a lot of course creators that are complaining that AI is going to make courses obsolete. No one is going to want courses anymore. And I know personally, yes, we have sold courses in the past, still sell some right now. And I would say they're probably right. Course sales are definitely down. But there is a way to basically, well, fight the AI out there that people are still going to want to learn from you and they're going to want to buy from you. It just might not be an online course. All right. But the first thing is we need to continue to create helpful, useful content and do something extremely important. And that is build your email list. If you're an online coach, a course creator, you know how valuable an email subscriber is because we're taking them off platform and now we get to build that relationship. We get people to know, like, and trust us. And from there, we can also present offers to those people. This channel right here, we have built over the last 12 months to over 35,000 subscribers on YouTube. That's great. But we've also built an email list of over 11,000. And that email list has produced over $90,000. And yes, we have earned just over 10,000 from the YouTube AdSense, which is amazing. So you can build your email list and you can get paid from YouTube. That right there is the holy grail. And I think that's really awesome. So if you're not building your list, you probably want to start doing that. And actually, we created a full training where we walked this whole strategy of what we're doing to actually do what I just said with a bunch of coaches and course creators. And we taught it live. It was about a 2-hour workshop. And we're actually giving access away for free. If you'd like to get access to that, just comment leads down below. Just put leads down below in the comments and we'll send you that full workshop and you'll see exactly how we're using this strategy. And we call it the YouTube Leads Flywheel. So check that out. All right. So a perfect example of this is we teach coaches and course creators how to use simple YouTube videos to get steady leads daily without spending ads. That's what our mission is right now. So you do need to get very, very specific on who you are trying to help. That is extremely important. So as we get into this whole AI, world of it taking over learning, because that's really what we're talking about here, is as long as we can figure out who is our ideal client, customer, student, and what can we do that we can be the best at? And what will they not be able to get from AI? They won't be able to get a human set of eyes to look over their stuff, right? Like we could give you an AI thing that shows you how to create titles. And you're like, that's great. But you might say, I want Scott or Scotty to look at my titles. I want them to look at my thumbnails. I want to know what would they do. Like, that's not going to go away. I know myself personally. Yes, I will look at AI. I will get some assistance while I'm doing things, but I still want help from people that are experts in certain areas of my life, whether it's fitness or whether it's business. That to me is never going to go away. But if you're just selling online courses, that is going to be a hard sell because if you don't have a live component to it, it's going to be really, really hard. All right. So here's the deal. And here's what we're going to be doing. And there's 3 things that I'm going to cover here with you. And this is what I think is the future. Is number 1, developing premium offers. Okay. Premium offers also meaning high touch. This is where you are going to be in the trenches with your students as they're learning. So yes, there's going to be a learning component to it where yes, here is how you do this. And this is how you do this. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Getting through, like, that is going to be there. But then we're also going to be there with a live component to that. And then we're going to run these as little cohorts. Okay. And they're going to be smaller, more intimate, not where it's just like you're in this massive community. So premium offers or done for you, that's going to never really go away, right? Done for you, meaning if we came up with a service and said, hey, here's what we'll do. We'll meet with you once a week. We will outline your week's worth of content, and then we'll sit down with you and record it. And then when you're done, you walk away. We take it, we edit it, we polish it, we upload it, and you don't have to do anything but meet with us for an hour a week. That's a service, and that's a done for you. So AI isn't really going to be doing that, at least in the near future. Okay. So that's something else you can do. But if you don't want to do it done for you and you still want to do courses, well, then it's going to be like a premium offer that is going to be a high touch type of offer. And that's what we're doing right now. Like, we help online course creators, consultants, coaches get steady leads from YouTube without using paid ads. That's our one liner. That's what we are solving a problem for. Okay. Is getting those steady leads without spending tons of money on Facebook ads or, Instagram ad, like whatever. Okay. That's our thing. So you do have to get very, very specific. The second thing is leaning into community. AI is not going to allow you to feel like you're rubbing elbows with someone that you know, or you can go have a cup of coffee with someone in the community because you live in the same area, or maybe you live an hour from each other, or just to be able to get that like-minded feel when you're in something. So community is another piece of this. So when we do a premium offer, there's going to be a community piece to that as well. So that's the second thing. And then the third thing is, yes, we are going to lean into some AI stuff. We're going to create, and we've already started creating these for our students, is AI wizards. This is where we're going to create something that follows our guidelines. It's going to take our input, and we're going to basically create this wizard that will allow you to do the task faster. So if we're going to be talking about how to get really, really clear on your niche, well, we're going to have a whole bunch of criteria that we're going to feed, all right, this wizard. And then you're just going to basically have to answer some questions as if we're sitting across the table having a cup of coffee and I'm coaching you in real time. So those three things alone right there, if you're an online course creator or even a coach, that right there is going to really bulletproof you from AI, in my opinion. All right. Now, if I'm starting over today, if I'm starting over as a course creator, I am going to start with that premium offer that solves one specific problem. That is what I am going to do. And I'm going to work backwards, meaning I am going to start with the premium offer. And then from there, I will go backwards. So it might be like, okay, we're going to start with the premium offer. The premium offer might cost $3,000, $5,000. Okay. And then from there, I'm going to say, okay, what else now that I've got that? Let's say I only sell 10 spots to that at $3,000. That's $30K. How many $97 courses do you have to sell? A lot. So what I'm going to do is then when the time is right, I might splinter off a little piece of that premium offer, and I might sell that as a $97 offer, but only after we've launched the premium offer. Because once we understand where people are going to get the most out of our training and our coaching, then we can start to splinter off these different resources. Okay. And that's what we're going to be doing moving forward. All right. And then here's another thing that I think anyone can do, and AI really is not going to be able to do it as well as you. And this is like personalized audits. So for us, if we said to you, hey, I'll tell you what, just go ahead and submit your channel and we'll do a 20-minute audit on your channel, and we will let you know how you can increase your reach, how you can get more specific on your topic, and how you can get more leads. And we'll actually detail it out for you. And then you pay us, I don't know, $197 for that. And then from there, guess what? We say, there it all is. And you're like, cool. And then the next question is, can you help me implement it? And the answer is, yeah, we have got a premium program that helps you implement what we just shared with you. So you do help, but then there's always going to be people that want you to implement or help them implement that strategy. All right. But with all of this being said, you are going to need the email list. You're going to need that. And if you're wondering how the heck we do it, well, that's why I shot this video right here that shows you exactly how you can do it. You can do it very quickly. Doesn't take a lot of work. You got to set it up once, but once you do, it works like clockwork. Watch that video next, and I'll see you there.